Struggling to make ends meet as a student? What if I told you there are 7 side hustles you can start right now that fit perfectly into your busy schedule? Stick around because today I'm going to show you how to boost your income without sacrificing your grades. Whether you're looking to cover your tuition, pay off student loans, or just have some extra cash for the weekend, these side hustles are perfect for students in 2024. From flexible online gigs to creative ways to earn on campus, we've got something for everyone. And don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end that could double your earnings. First up, if you've got a knack for words, freelance writing could be your ticket to extra cash. Freelance writing is ideal for students who enjoy writing and want to earn money on their own terms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and even specialized platforms like ProBlogger connect you with clients looking for content writers. You can write blog posts, articles, or even copy for websites. The best part? You can work from anywhere, whether it's your dorm room or a cozy coffee shop. Start by creating a profile, showcasing any writing samples you have, and start bidding on projects. As you build your portfolio, you'll attract higher-paying clients, and soon, you'll be earning enough to cover your monthly expenses. If you're new to freelance writing, consider starting with smaller gigs to build up your experience and confidence. Focus on a niche you're passionate about, like tech, health, or lifestyle, to make the work more enjoyable and to position yourself as an expert in that area. Next, if you excel in a particular subject, why not get paid to help others succeed? Tutoring is a great way to make money while reinforcing your own knowledge. Whether it's math, science, or even a foreign language, there's always a demand for tutors. You can find clients through platforms like tutor.com, Wisent, or even by advertising your services on campus. Online tutoring is also an option, giving you the flexibility to work from your laptop anywhere. To get started, highlight your strengths in specific subjects and consider offering a free trial session to attract your first clients. Once you've built a reputation, you can increase your rates and even take on multiple students, making this a lucrative side hustle. If you're proficient in a difficult subject like calculus or chemistry, you can offer specialized tutoring that allows you to charge higher rates. You might also create supplemental materials, such as study guides or practice tests, that you can sell online as an additional income stream. Are you the crafty type? Turn your creativity into cash by selling handmade crafts. If you love creating things like jewelry, art, or even homemade candles, platforms like Etsy are perfect for selling your handmade crafts. Start by deciding what you want to make, then set up your shop and begin showcasing your products. Quality photos and detailed descriptions are key to attracting buyers. You can also promote your shop on social media or at local craft fairs. With a bit of effort, your hobby could turn into a steady stream of income, all while doing something you love. One student turned their love of painting into a profitable side hustle by selling custom artwork on Etsy. By offering personalized paintings, they tapped into a niche market that appreciates one-of-a-kind pieces, and soon, their artwork was in high demand. Consider what makes your creations unique and market them as such. Spend a lot of time on social media? Here's how to turn that into a money-making opportunity. Many small businesses struggle to keep up with their social media presence, and that's where you come in. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can offer your services as a social media manager. This involves creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with followers to help businesses grow their online presence. Start by reaching out to local businesses or using platforms like Fiverr to find clients. As you gain experience, you can offer additional services like running ad campaigns or creating social media strategies, all while working from your laptop. If you're skilled in video content creation, you can offer to create short promotional videos or Instagram Reels for businesses. Video content is highly engaging and in demand, making your services even more valuable. Love animals? Why not get paid to spend time with them? Pet sitting and dog walking are flexible side hustles that are perfect for animal lovers. Apps like Rover and Wag connect you with pet owners who need someone to care for their pets while they're away. Whether it's walking dogs during the day or pet sitting on weekends, this is a fun way to earn money while spending time with furry friends. Plus, you can set your own hours, making it easy to fit around your class schedule. One student turned their dog walking service into a small business by offering additional services like pet grooming and training. By expanding their offerings, they were able to significantly increase their income while enjoying time with pets. Here's a side hustle that's right on campus: reselling textbooks. At the end of each semester, many students are looking to get rid of their textbooks, and new students are looking to buy them at a discount. You can take advantage of this by buying used textbooks and reselling them online or directly to other students. Platforms like Amazon or Facebook Marketplace are great for listing books, but you can also sell them through campus groups or bulletin boards. With a little effort, this side hustle can provide a decent profit, especially if you focus on high-demand subjects. To maximize your profits, focus on core textbooks that are used in multiple courses and editions that are still in demand. You can also bundle textbooks with related study materials or notes to offer more value to buyers. Finally, if you're looking for something super easy, survey and user testing sites might be for you. Survey and user testing sites are some of the simplest ways to make money in your spare time. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and User Testing pay you to share your opinions or test new apps and websites. It's not going to make you rich, but it's a quick and easy way to earn a little extra cash without much effort. The best part? You can do it anytime, whether you're between classes or just hanging out at home. One student found success by signing up for multiple survey sites and participating in focus groups that offered higher payouts. By dedicating just an hour a day, they were able to cover their daily expenses with minimal effort. Here's a tip to maximize your earnings. Combine a few of these side hustles to create multiple streams of income. For example, if you're already doing freelance writing, why not offer social media management services as well? Or, if you're into tutoring, you could also create and sell study guides online. The more income streams you have, the more stable your earnings will be. And there you have it, 7 side hustles that are perfect for students in 2024. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash or start something that could grow into a full-time income, these ideas can help you get there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money while you study. We'd love to see you back here for our next video, where we'll dive into even more ways to boost your income without sacrificing your studies. Trust me, you won't want to miss the insider tips we're sharing next, especially the one that could triple your earnings with minimal effort. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.